subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
As the launch date is coming closer, the OnePlus 8 series phones has started leaking online. Recently, we saw the leak renders of OnePlus 8, and now the same leak stuff WinFuture has revealed the renders of the upcoming OnePlus 8 Pro smartphone along with some key specifications. According to leak renders, the OnePlus 8 Pro is seen to support a hole punch on the display for selfie camera and has curved edges with slim bezels on all sides. The rear panel of the phone houses a vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top center, including LED flash and some sensors that looks to be laser autofocus system. The volume rockers are placed on the left edge, while the notification slider along with the power button is placed on the right side. The bottom of the phone appears to have speaker grill, ejectable SIM card slot and a Type-C charging port. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in ultramarine blue, glacial green and onyx black color options. Talking about the specifications, according to leaks, the OnePlus 8 Pro will feature a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that will include Adreno 650 GPU. The device will pack with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. As per the camera, the quad rear cameras of OnePlus 8 Pro will include a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX689 sensor plus another 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view plus 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 5MP fourth camera for capturing additional color data. On the front, there will be 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch. Apart from this, there is no other details of OnePlus 8 Pro has leaked so far. Now, talking about the release date. The OnePlus is going to launch OnePlus 8 Pro along with the OnePlus 8 on April 14th. And regarding pricing, the OnePlus CEO said that the phone will be priced under $1,000. So, as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus 8 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.